JW Marriott Cancun Resort and Spa. Nestled along the beach in the middle of Cancun's hotel zone. This luxurious AAA 5-Diamond Award winner hotel features comfortable accommodations and relaxing spa services just steps from the turquoise waters of the Caribbean. JW Marriott showcases an exclusive Mayan-inspired spa that offers spiritual revitalization for body and mind. After a day at the beach, feel pampered with a massage, facial or other spa treatment. Guest rooms at Marriott Cancun are furnished with 32-inch flat-panel LCD TVs and lavish bedding. Take in the view of Cancun's white sand beaches and the Caribbean's sparkling water from the room's private balcony. Don't forget to like the video, and subscribe to the channel.